Hey everybody, Quilting Marine here, talking about the tough guy. All right, so went out yesterday and I picked up the backing for this. Okay, so this is going to be the backing. This blue is going to be what we use for the bind, and that's it, really. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm putting my strips together. Remember, we left. I put numbers on them so that I can remember where I am. Okay, I got to keep this potato head style. And I'm gonna attach 4 to 5. Okay, so what we're gonna do is gonna put them on right sides facing. Right, remember that. Right sides facing for new quilters. Remember, right sides facing all the time, or most of the time, because there may be those of you who don't want to follow rules like I don't. No quilting police. All right, so here we go. Right sides facing. So I'm just gonna nest them together, right sides facing, and pin them, right? So we want to nest here, right? So something that I tend to do is my stitch line here. If my stitch line is matching this line, then I know it's gonna nest, right? There we go. Look at that. It's nested, right? That's right. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pin here, and then move on to the next one. All right, so I try to like maybe an inch, inch and a half, so I can just drive by. Driving by meaning my machine foot going right by, the foot of my machine, and we are nesting here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna nest the rest of these seams together, and when we come back, we're gonna stitch them together, okay? Nest this here. I'll add the pin. Pin that. So I'm looking for. Okay, so some of you might be able to help me. Here's a question for you. Okay, all of my experienced quilters, my mentors out there. I was looking for, I think size 32 pins. You know, they have the ones with flowers and butterflies. I don't do flowers and butterflies. Now, I'm hoping that someone out there can find me Marine Corps emblems, something that's patriotic, you know, a pin that has something on it that's a guy would like, okay? I've been looking, I've been searching, and I've been wondering, and quilting's been around for quite a long time, and you mean to tell me that no one's created a pin head that's in the shape of the eagle of an anchor or I don't know, the American flag or something like that, so when you put your pins in, you just smile because you're so happy? I'm not doing flowers, so let's not go there, okay? I'm not gonna do butterflies. Let's not go there. So am I stuck with the color, these pins right here? Am I stuck with these? I hope not. It's just a question. I'm just wondering, just a guy wondering if there's someone out there who could fit his request for some masculinity in the craft that he's taken up. Just wondering, okay? So if any of you could find it, please contact me immediately, please. All right, I see some people with some real style and swagger with their pins and stuff, and I was hoping that there's someone out there, someone who could save me and get me a pin that has masculinity. That would be awesome, all right? No, I'm not a basketball fan, so don't even think about it, okay? Don't follow basketball. Don't even follow really football, okay? I like guns. Guns and quilts. Okay, so when we come back, I'll finish this off and we'll put this together, okay? Okay, so we got our pins in, right? We're going straight across here. Got my pins in, all right? And then we're just gonna put our stitch in. We're gonna stitch straight across, all right? I know most of you know, but hopefully there's a new quilter out there who wants to learn this. And that's what I'm here for, okay? We're gonna put our 1/4 inch seam straight across, okay? Now, some of these intersections, I call them intersections. I like changing things names, okay? My wife tells me I should stop doing that, but I love doing it. All right, so look, we're gonna go straight across. I'm gonna open it to make it easier on my needle, okay? But my needle is a monster. It doesn't really need it, but I like to help out every now and then, okay? All right, so let's take it to the machine. We're gonna put our seam on here, a little 1/4 inch seam, and on my machine here. my brother, PQ 1500 SL. I keep saying it because I love that. All right, so the brother, my machine, this machine is awesome. I love it. All right, if I had to complain about one thing on this machine, it would be that it doesn't tell you when the bobbin's about to run out, which is a great feature. I've never experienced that feature, but I think that would be a great thing to add. All right, people at Brother, add that. Okay. If I could know when my bobbin's gonna run out, it would help me out. But it's not a deal breaker. I would buy this machine over and over again, or I would appreciate my wife buying it for me since she got it for my birthday. All right, let's put our seam in here. We're gonna put a couple stitches in, and then we're gonna reverse it, the lock stitch here. All right, and we are gonna move forward here. Okay, so when I get to intersections like this, what I'll do is I'll just open it up a little bit here. And just go on through the intersection. No red lights here. And then we're just gonna finish it off, okay? I'm just gonna go straight on down, finish my stitch off, and then we'll open it up, okay? Well, let's try one more intersection, okay? All right, so here's a bigger intersection right here. I just open it up there, and then I just go on through it. This machine can handle it, okay? So when I come back, we'll open it up. Okay, guys, so we're back. So we're gonna pull our little, we're gonna pull our pins out, our plain pins, okay? We're gonna pull these out, put them back into my little pin cushion here. All right. Yes, it's a pin cushion. And no, you will never see me wearing one on my wrist, okay? Guy, man, quilter, XY chromosome quilter. I like that name, XY chromosome quilter. That's pretty funny, huh? No, it's not funny? Okay, all right, here we go. Look at that. And we are in business. Okay, look at that. Nice little section, intersections there. All right, I'm gonna take my old school iron and open that up a little bit. And we are making progress. Okay, so as you can see, I have 4 and 5 here because I did 1 through 3 already. So let's all right, because the jeans are tough. All right, for the tough guy quilts. Hello. Look at that. Okay, so tough guy quilts coming along here. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. And one of your service member, family members is gonna dig it too, especially if they're in Afghanistan, because those of you who don't know, it gets really cold in Afghanistan and Iraq, okay? It's not desert heat all the time. There are winters, okay? So this is gonna go great with on someone's rack, or if they're rolling with a sleeping bag. Look at that. All right, so we got 1 through 3 right here. See that? 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna attach 1, 2, and 3 to 4 and 5, and we are gonna be close to being done, I think. We're gonna check it, okay? We're gonna see what our length looks like, okay? But after that, we'll be done with Tough Guy, and we'll be putting our, right, we're gonna baste, bind, and it'll be ready to go. Because as you may or may not have noticed, I've been buying my little tools to get ready for the New York Beauty, okay? This is my add a quarter ruler, okay? Because it has that 1/4 inch seam there that I need on my paper binding, okay? On my paper. So yeah, I've started, okay? I was collecting the tools and equipment required for the New York Beauty. We're gonna make it happen though, okay? It's only fabric, it's only thread, right? All right, I have to follow my own rules. So I'm gonna put this together and then you'll see a final shot. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, oh look, I got my Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.